tantric done on your houses and offices. Now many of you wanted to know that whether black magic can be done on the office areas or our own houses or the rented apartments or not. So yes, definitely it is true that black magic processes are, you know, quite valid in your houses and the premises that you're working, offices, commercial buildings, etc. It's quite possible. So don't think that if somebody is selling this to you that, you know, we think there is something wrong with your premises or your house. The moment we enter your house, we start feeling a lot of headache, or we start feeling very heaviness around us, or uncomfortable, or there's a very different sort of a silence that you feel, or you can hear the silence also, which is very creepy. You know, it's something like silence. Everybody likes silence and peace, but there is one kind of silence which really irritates you, something that really eats you up, you know, when you go to somebody's house sometimes, or even at your own house for that matter. So yes, this is quite possible. Now why it is done? Simply to destroy your happiness, your growth, your peace levels of your mind, mentally, to disturb you, to sometimes even make sure that you commit suicide. There can be many reasons, because any of your enemies, or you know, a group of enemies, when they cannot harm you directly, they try to do all this through black magic indirectly, so that their name should not come in front, their actions should not come in front, and they will be able to achieve whatever they want. It's like a cold-blooded murder, but it's just that you don't know who the murderer is. He or she is not in front of you, you know, it's like this. So now, what are the symptoms of this? See, there are many symptoms when it comes to black magic on houses and your work areas. But naming few, it's something like, you know, there can be few angles in your houses. There can be few, you know, one particular room angle, a window, a door, maybe a bed, anything, where when you actually stand, the whole house is okay, but in that particular place when you stand, you feel there's somebody with us. We are not alone. Maybe you feel this is one of the symptoms. Another symptom is that you can also feel a lot of heaviness on your head. Sometimes you can even feel very sleepy and very lazy and very negative, you know, in the overall thought process of yours once you're actually there, you know. Then what else? Yes, kitchen areas. Now I have a lot of females have written to us that, you know, people are finding their own kitchens to be very, very heavy. When I say very heavy, means that they are feeling very insecure. The ladies of the houses, when they're working in the kitchen, they're feeling very insecure when they're alone in the house. They feel some sort of an accident will happen in the house. Maybe the LPG will blast suddenly. They feel like this, you know. Or maybe, you know, knife, once they're chopping the vegetables, suddenly their fingers will be chopped off. These are all the feelings that the real victims have written to us, that we actually feel this when we are working in the kitchen. So their husbands were very shocked, children were very shocked, or sometimes they even feel that once they're frying something in the kitchen, making some fried item, or they're boiling water or milk, that it will spill on their faces, it will splash on their faces. These are the kind of illusions, or you may say their subconscious mind is giving them a message, you know, that some accident can happen here. And few ladies and few men also have written to us that in the kitchen they have felt that somebody is sitting, you know, on the roof area or on the slab area. So what is this? See, black magic can have so many forms. You never know which tantric, which enemy of yours has chosen what kind of a process that really haunts you, that really takes and overpowers you, you know, and you're not able to work. Of course, if you feel that somebody is there, if you feel something's going to spill on you, on your face, how can you be in that house or any premises for that matter? Okay. Few have also told us that, you know, that we feel that somebody is calling us towards the balcony area. This can be in the afternoon, this can be even in the night time, so that I jump away from my balcony. They have written to us that they have felt that I should just jump, and suddenly something stops them. You know, the good karmas, or maybe the blessing of their Kul Devis or Devtas, something has stopped them, saved them. But this has happened time and again with them. Okay, another symptom that I've just mentioned. Then Few have also mentioned that sometimes people who stay in the independent houses where you have a lawn, a garden, everything, and you have a main entry door, okay, where the guard actually sleeps. Mostly people staying in the bungalows, they do have a guard. People who do not have guards also, in many cases, people have written to us that I have tried to just, in my sleep, suddenly I get up and somebody's calling me outside from the entry house door towards some road area, and I start walking towards that place, and I'm not in my senses. That something is done. So these are few of the major symptoms. Of course, you will not be comfortable in your house, you will not be peaceful in your house, you will have unnecessarily fights in your house. Sometimes you can even slip from the stairs. Now, of course, natural accidents can also happen if you are not careful, but I'm not trying to say that, I'm not trying to block your mind saying that if you slip from the stairs it's some black magic. No, it can be your own fault also, it can be your own carelessness also. But we are specifically talking about things when things are thrown to you in a negative way, when nonsense energies or nuisance energies are thrown towards you, then what all can happen in your house. And even in the office areas for that matter, sometimes if you're doing good in your business, or your office is working nicely, your staff is very cooperative, things are thrown towards you in the office also, that your work should completely finish off, monetary terms should finish off, good relations with clients, with your own staff members should finish away, and it should be just locked, the office should be locked and everything should be finished. So all these are the symptoms, and yes, black magic on houses and offices are done. So if you're finding these kind of symptoms, any of these symptoms also, there is no harm in getting a diagnosis done and getting to know that what the surety is, whether it is black magic, whether it is everything is normal. You can always know about it by getting the diagnosis done. For that, you can contact the team, us, or anywhere else also. But do get this done and get out of that blockage, get out of that doubt whether it is black magic, whether it is not black magic. So get out of that. That's about it in today's video. Next video I'll come with another topic. Till then, goodbye.